Legs closer, toes facing point, and flex your feet. Toes facing point and flex your feet. Rotation, ankle rotation. Relax arms, spine straight. And clockwise, opposite rotation. And up. So for the hip routine, मैं आपको सबसे पहले कुछ basic warm up and some preparatory routine आपको मैं देखेंगे. So the step by step, I will take you on the next level. So first, put your left leg on your right leg. Yes, and then slowly push your knee down. So I hope you all remember the movement of the right leg. Right leg को थोड़ा अंदर की तरफ कर लीजिए. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Relax your left leg everyone. Your right leg on your left upper. This all small movement, all these small practices will be very much helpful. यही आपका जो है ना basic routine आपका fix कर दिए. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Relax your right leg everyone. Bend your left leg under the hip, right foot a bit out, and both hips should be on the. थोड़े से फुट बाहर निकाल लीजिए हिप की तरफ से. And you have to be trying a hip down. Both hips should be on the mat. And then stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Relax your leg. Bend the right leg under hip. मतलब किसी भी पोस्टर में आने से पहले this is really very beneficial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. यहीं से not finish yet. From here, you also bend the left leg, your knee closer, and the feet out of your hip. But remember, anyone has a knee or ankle pain or any because of the hip stiffness, so please avoid it. Or difficult लग रहा है आपको, you can take the block under that. If in case feeling okay, then no need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Everyone come in the downward facing dog. From here, your legs, spine, and your arms straight. Maintain a little gap in between your legs. Gap maintain कीजिए थोड़ा सा. Press the palm and press your inner heel. Inner heel को थोड़ा सा push कीजिए so that you can bring the awareness on your hamstring. Everyone. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come in the upward facing dog. Upward facing dog में आइए सभी. Remember, push the palm and जो chest है आपको the chest, you just try to push in between your arms, and then look up, shoulder behind from your chest side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Once again, come back in the cat pose. Open the feet and hip in between your feet. Everyone. वापिस आ जाइए same position. Option will be remain same which we did before, but now we will add one more practice. Put your arms back and just drop your head. But in case student find that your knee is open, like आपके knee खुल रही है, maybe you understand why the knee is open. It just maybe because of the stiffness. So better you can take a block in between the knee. लेकिन वो भी लोग drop the elbow if you are feeling comfortable. If you are back, drop your elbow. you're finding the discomfort, especially in the knee, compression in the knee or ankle, please totally avoid it. Only drop the elbow, guys. Knee closer if you are not able, so take the block in between the knee और thigh और अपनी thigh से और knee से उसे push करते रहिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, को बाहर निकालने अंदर 9 and then 10. Okay guys, come back in the downward facing dog. वापस आ जाइए. Downward facing dog. A little gap in between your both legs. थोड़ा सा gap रखिए. Press the palm and press your inner. During the concept of the alignment, I already explained like how to use the inner. जो आपकी एड़ी के अंदर का हिस्सा है उसको प्रेस कीजिए and feel the correction in your inner thigh. 1, 2, 5, ये बाहर निकालिए. 4, 5, 6, 7, arms straight. 8, 9, yes. And now 10. Drop the knee. Again cat pose. And once again come back in the same position. Knee together. Hip in between the feet. Now option 1, just sit straight. Option 2, drop elbow. Option 3, line with the back. So now we will increase the one level more than the first position. So now you have to decide. आप decide कीजिए कि आप कौन सी option पर कंफर्ट फील करें. हाथ आप पीछे रख सकते हैं, हाथ आप होल में रख सकते हैं, आप नमस्ते बना सकते हैं, साइड में that you can be anything, even you can be hold your hand. But once you come in the position, you have to keep pushing the hip and keep pushing the spine. If your knee is lifting up, better to avoid it. Open the feet, open कीजिए, hip in between the feet, बस इतना ही कीजिए. 3, बेटा knee close हो जाएंगे आपके. 4, बताना मुझे ज़्यादा बड़े, very good. 6, मुंह से बाहर निकल रही हो फिर भी नहीं लेटने की लगेगी. 10 and relax. वो आप कर रहे हैं फिर भी नीचे की तरफ जा रहे हैं. डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग वापस आइए. डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग.